The dollar fell, the markets crashed, the world was gripped in fear and ash. No coin to count, no wage to spend, it seemed the world had reached its end. The cities burned, the rich were chased, the bunkers breached, the powers disgraced. Looting surged in every land, survival carved with desperate hands. But from the dark, a spark was born, a whispered truth through global storm. A digital coin for all the earth, not tied to greed, but human worth. A base wage flowed to every soul, enough for shelter, food, and whole. To work for good brought something more, but capped to end the hoarding war. Then came the charter, bold and wise, all beings free beneath the skies. No land above another stood, and all would serve the planet's good. Communities by hearts aligned, each chose a rep with open mind. They shared, they traded, dreamed anew, a web of worlds both just and true. But not all chose the lighted way. Some hearts grew hard, some lost their way. They hoarded arms, they closed their gates, and fed the ghosts of fear and hate. The two paths clashed, both fierce and loud, the selfish few, the loving crowd. But kindness proved the stronger thread, as walls gave way and wounds were shed. For pain grew deep where fear held reign, and many broke beneath that strain. They came with hands and hearts contrite, and asked to step into the light. Not cast away, but asked to grow, to prove through love what hearts can show. With tears and tools and songs they came, and slowly earned a brand new name. The world had split but came to mend, and found new life around the bend. Not ruled by kings or prophets' chain, but bound by joy, not bound by pain. No, not a utopia set in stone, but fertile soil, fully grown. For from collapse, the truth took wing. We thrive not owning, but offering.